Your Lavanya Mataji is back again with a new concept. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. Today, let's learn strokes. Okay, in your online class, you have learned strokes, right? Let's learn the same how to write in 4-line book. Are you all ready, children? Yes. The things which you require to write the strokes are pencil, which is sharp enough, okay, and an eraser, okay, eraser. So, and a 4-line book. You can use previous year's book, or else you can ask your mother to draw 4 lines for you. Fine, children? Okay. First, what are we going to do? First, take your parents' help and write date as 5/7/21 and heading as strokes. Fine? Yeah. Now, which is the first stroke which you learnt? Yes, it is standing, standing. Trees are standing, standing line. Right? So, first we are going to write standing line. Are you all ready, children? See, standing line starts from first red line and till the second blue line. Right? It starts from first red line to second blue line. Okay. Which is the next stroke? Yes, it is, you all know, right? Sleeping, sleeping, mats are sleeping, sleeping line, sleeping line. So, where are we going to write the sleeping line, children? We are going to write it on the first blue line. Okay? First blue line. See, a small sleeping line. Fine. Which is the next stroke? Yes, it is slanting, slanting, opposite slanting, makes a mountain, makes a mountain. Right? You all have learned this rhyme, isn't it, children? Yes. Now, let's learn the slanting line, right? See, you have to start from the first red line and little slanting line till the second blue line. Fine? Now, let's learn how to write opposite slanting line. See, that is also very easy, children. That also starts from red line, that is first red line, and ends near the blue line, second blue line. Right? Now, children, Mataji has written once. How many times you are going to write? You are going to write 3 times. How many times? 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Fine. Let's leave one line here and let us write the next stroke. Which is the next stroke? Yes, it is curve. Right? Curve, curve, curve. Opposite curve. Makes a circle, makes a circle. Right? Let us start the curve. Right? Okay. So, curve, we have to start from the first red line. Take a small turn, turn, turn. Then little turn till the second blue line. See, children, we have started from first red line till we have taken a turn. We reached second blue line and took a small turn and ended near the second blue line. Right? Who is is it looking? It is looking like a letter C, right? Yes, very good children. Now, let's learn opposite curve, which is right. Okay, it is also very easy children. Opposite curve also starts from first red line, take a turn, again small turn and end near the second blue line. Fine. See, curve and opposite curve. Curve and opposite curve makes a circle, right? Now let's learn how to write a circle. Okay, children? Yes. See, start from the red line. First red line. Take a turn. Turn, turn, turn. Go up to again first red line and join. Fine. See, you started from the red line. You took a turn, came till the second blue line. Again you took a turn and you joined. Isn't it? This is looking like which letter? Yes, I know you all guessed it. This is right. It is O, right? And it is a circle too. Fine. Totally how many strokes you learnt? You learnt 7 strokes, right? Standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, opposite slanting line, curve, opposite curve and a circle. Fine. So, how many times you are going to write this, children? You are going to write 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Fine? Yes. So, you are all clear how to write the strokes. Now, Mataji is going to take over the session and you will be doing an activity. Fine?
Namaste children. Shilpa Mataji is back. Now it's a rhyme time. Let us recite a rhyme. Are you all ready children? Shall we start now? Trees are standing, trees are standing, standing line, standing line. Mats are sleeping, mats are sleeping, sleeping line, sleeping line. Slanting, 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 opposite slanting, makes a mountain, makes a mountain. Curve, 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 opposite curves, makes a circle, makes a circle. Circle, 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 form a circle, to sing a rhyme, to sing a rhyme. Now, will you repeat after me children? Okay, let us start now. Trees are standing, trees are standing, trees are standing, trees are standing, standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line. Mats are sleeping, mats are sleeping, mats are sleeping, mats are sleeping. Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Slanting, 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 slanting. Opposite slantings, opposite slantings, makes a mountain, makes a mountain, makes a mountain, makes a mountain. Kar, kar, kar. Kar, kar, kar. Kar, kar, kar. Opposite curves. Opposite curves. Makes a circle. Makes a circle. Circle, circle, circle. Circle, circle, circle. Form a circle. Form a circle. To sing a rhyme. To sing a rhyme. Hope you all enjoyed, children. Yes, clap yourself. Very good.
Now it's activity time. Today, let's learn to make a paper boat. Take a square paper. Now fold it into half. Like this. Which shape is this, children? Yes, it is a triangle. Let us fold it again like this. See? What is this? It's a boat. Let us use the feather stick and glue it. ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ? ಬೋಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ದ ಬೋಟ್ ಬಿ? ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಬೋಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? ನೀರಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್, ರೈಟ್? ನೌ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ paper. Let's color half the sheet with light blue crayon. Children, this will look like water. Yes, our boat will travel on this. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೋಟು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವೀಗ ಅದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ. Let's see. We have finished coloring it. Let us stick the boat which we have done. See here, ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಬೋಟು, ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂಟಿಸೋಣ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Turn the paper, boat, and stick it. First, stick these two sheets. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಗ್ಲೂ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಟಿಸೋಣ. Let us stick it over here. See how nice it is, right? ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬೋಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ? Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next session.
Again, I am back with home activity. Here, I have few utensils. We will know what we call them in English as well as in Kannada. We use these things every day in kitchen. Now, let us start to know the names in Kannada and in English. We have few utensils. Let us know the names in English and as well as in Kannada. This is spoon in English. In Kannada, we call it as chamcha. This is plate. In Kannada, we call it as tatte. This is glass. In Kannada, we call it as lota. This is bowl. In Kannada, we call it as బట్టలు. This is box. In Kannada, we call it as dabbi. Now, look for few more utensils in your kitchen and identify their names in Kannada and English. Hope you all will enjoy. Ram Ram.